Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I'm going to be giving you guys this back to school makeup look. So it's very simple, very easy, very minimal makeup. I mean, you can add or take away whatever you like to do to your face basically, but this is what I like. And yeah, it's very simple, very easy. You can't go wrong with a very simple, easy back to school makeup look. So yeah, if you guys enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below, and stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to be doing a back to school giveaway. So if you want to know how to enter, definitely stay tuned to the end of the video so I can let you guys know how to enter. So if you guys are interested in this makeup look, then definitely keep on watching. Okay love, so let's get started with the back to school makeup look. Now I'm gonna do something really simple, easy, not too much effort goes into this look, because when you have to go to school and you're like rushing out the door, you're definitely not thinking about putting like a full face of makeup. So first I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Pro Glow primer on the face, because of course I love to have a nice dewy face just because I do have dry skin. So this targets more to the dry skin girls like because I mean a girl over here is extra dry, so I always have to have a nice glowy hydrating primer that I always have to put on. So I'm gonna let that sit for a minute, and then I already did my eyebrows. I used the ColourPop brow pencil. Now I've been obsessed with this pencil. It's really good, it's really creamy, and it takes like 2 minutes to fill in your eyebrows. So I definitely love it. I recommend it. I think it's about $6, and you can go to colourpop.com, order it. It's good. I got the shade, this is Bangin' Brunette. Absolutely love it, my go-to. I'm gonna use the Dream Satin Liquid from Maybelline. This is such a good foundation. It's very light, it's not heavy on the skin, and yeah, like who wants to wear heavy makeup to go to school? Like, to me that's not ideal. You want to wear something very light, very light on the skin, not too heavy, because if you're going to be in school for 8 hours, you don't want to have no cakey face. So you definitely want to have a very nice light foundation. So I'm going to use this one, and this one's in the shade Pure Beige. So I'm just going to put it on directly to the face. Is it open? No, it's locked. So I'm just going to put it directly on the face, and then I'm just going to blend it out with my sponge, because I definitely love this foundation with a sponge application. I feel like it's much better, it blends out better and just looks more flawless. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe sponge and blend it out. Foundation on. Now we're gonna move on to the eyes. Now basically I don't do too much to the eyes. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just gonna swipe this on the eyes in the crease area, and that's basically it. Because when you gotta go to school, you don't have time to be doing like a full-on glam makeup look. So putting some bronzer gives it a little bit of dimension, and it gives you something in your eyes at least, so you don't have to be worrying about it being so like plain and like just plain basically. So you definitely want to put a little bit of something in the eyes. So putting a little bit of bronzer in the eyes, and that's it. And then we are gonna move on to concealer. So I'm gonna go in with the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. This is absolutely my go-to concealer. So I'm just gonna apply this right under the eyes. and then go in with my Morphe sponge. I'm just gonna highlight right here. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe sponge and just blend everything out. Banana powder. I absolutely love this powder. If you haven't purchased it, haven't tried it out, I definitely recommend it. It's very good. So I'm gonna go in and set my under eyes with the banana powder. So I'm just gonna go ahead with the sponge again, make sure there's no creases, and just pick up some powder and just set. With my butter bronzer and just bronze up the skin a little bit. Usually, typically, I wouldn't go in with blush because if I'm in a rush going out the door, I definitely won't put blush. But some people do love blush. I mean, I do like it sometimes, but I'm gonna go in with the Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon blush, and I'm just gonna blush my cheeks with this. It just gives you nice, beautiful, like toasted cinnamon cheeks. Like, it's just so pretty. If you haven't tried it out, you definitely need to try it out because it's very good. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with highlights, and I'm gonna use my Profusion contour palette to highlight the face. And I'm just gonna take both of the highlights and just highlight. So yeah, so to tell you guys the truth, I never wore makeup when I was in school. Never. I started wearing makeup when I was in college, and it was very minimum. I hardly wear foundation. I hardly ever wear eyeliner. Like, I never wear makeup. I started getting into makeup after high school. It was like more in college type of thing because I was just never into it. My sister was a big fan of makeup. Throughout high school, I really wasn't, to tell you the truth. But now I'm like obsessed. I love it. I love to create like makeup looks, try to do things out of my comfort zone and stuff like that. So I definitely love it. Put everything together. I'm gonna spray my Wet n Wild Photo Focus primer spray, and I'm gonna spray this all over the face. If you haven't purchased that spray, I definitely recommend it. It's really good. So I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner and mascara. I'm gonna apply this off camera, and I'll be right back to give you guys my lip color and announce my giveaway. So I'll be right back. Okay, love, so I am done. I applied mascara, eyeliner. I usually don't apply mascara on the bottom lashes when I'm going for more of a natural look. So I don't put mascara on the bottom lashes just because that's my preference. You could definitely do it if you want to. I just don't like to. I feel like just the mascara on the top makes my lashes pop a little bit more. So I prefer that. So if you guys like it, you could definitely apply mascara. But let's move on to the lips. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX professional lip liner, and this is in the shade London. And then I'm gonna go in with the lip gloss, and this is in the shade Featherless. Now usually if I'm going for a natural look, I always go for a nude, so that is why I got these. Now you can skip out on the lip gloss, but I've been loving lip gloss. I don't know about you guys. Let me know if you guys been loving lip gloss, because I have. So I'm gonna go in and line my lips with this, and then go over it with the lip gloss. makeup look. Like I said before, I never used to wear makeup. I wore makeup in college and it was very minimum, so I did give you guys a more minimal wearable look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you stayed all the way to the end, I am going to be doing a back to school giveaway. I am going to be giving out some supplies for a lucky winner subscriber. So if you guys want to enter to the giveaway, it's going to start today, which is Sunday. I'm going to put this video up on Monday, so the giveaway will end next Monday. So I'll give you guys a week. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I will show the giveaway prize right here. It's gonna be some school supplies, so if you're going back to school, definitely enter. You have to be subscribed to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and let me know down below what is your favorite go-to look or product for back to school, and you are entered. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, loves.